Would you guys buy a dirt bike that came in a box? Well, I did, and I'm still trying to figure out if it was a good idea or not. What's up guys, Greg Hitchcock here, and for my throwback two-stroke garage build shootout that I'm doing, the 05 YZ250 that I bought came in pieces and boxes upon boxes. So for the most part, I've got everything organized as far as the big pieces go for the bike. You can see the YZ in the corner on the left there, but I still need to dive into this engine, which is in bags and boxes, so let's take a look at it right now. All right, so there's a lot of things going on this table here, but that is the box of parts and bags of parts for the engine. So I'm gonna start off with the cases first. When I bought this bike, I bought it for 1,200 bucks, and I knew that I was gonna need new cases. So these are the old cases right here. So where the shift fork pins go right here, these had hollowed out a little bit, and when the previous owner was trying to put the bike back together, the cases weren't going back together because these slots for the shift fork pins kind of bored out a little bit. So I never tried to put these cases together myself, but I knew that I was gonna need to buy new cases, which are these cases right here. I could have bought them brand new from Rocky Mountain for like, I don't know, $1,100, $1,200, but I ended up finding a set of O2 cases on eBay for $800, so I was able to save a few $100s there. I got them all vapor blasted and ready to go. So this is the crank that's in it. The previous owner said it's got 100 hours on it, but it still seems to be in great condition. It's got a Hot Rods rod on it, and I don't feel any up and down play, so I'm actually gonna be throwing a new Hot Rods crank in it thanks to my Wrench Rabbit kit. So if anybody needs a YZ250 crank, let me know. And then the stock head here, I'm gonna be selling this as well. I got it all vapor blasted for you guys. I'm gonna be throwing a new fresh fat head for it, a blue one. If anybody wants a stock YZ250 head, let me know. But if you guys are also interested in this blue fat head that you see here, use the code GREG10 and it's gonna save you some cash with Luke at Fathead Racing. As far as the cylinder goes, the cylinder is in great shape. I also got this thing vapor blasted. I already went through all the power valves, disassembled them, cleaned them up, threw it back together, and I will be having a video on how to completely disassemble, clean, and rebuild those power valves right here. So definitely stay tuned for that. But very pleased about how this vapor blasting came out. And if you guys need any vapor blasting done for your bikes, shoot me an email at hitchmotoco@gmail.com and we can get you set up with some vapor blasting so your parts can be looking fresh again. But now it's finally time to dive into this box of parts to see what we got going on. So since I didn't take the engine apart, I have no clue what is in these bags. I've already looked at them a little bit and there is just bolts and pieces and parts. So what I did, I'm gonna show you guys to make sure that I have every bolt and piece necessary to rebuild this engine. I went on Rocky Mountain's website and went to their parts fiche, their parts diagrams, and then printed out all the parts diagrams included in the motor to make sure that I have every single piece before I start rebuilding this thing. So I don't know, there's like 10 different pages here, but I've got the inner clutch cover set up here, and then I've got the actual cases, we've got the clutch, we have the transmission, definitely want to make sure we have every piece to that. We have the shift shaft and the shifter, the governor shaft, the stator, shift drum and shift forks. And the thing about the YZ is that the shift forks and shift pins are actually one piece. All the other bikes, they're actually two pieces, so the forks are separate from the shift pins. I'm not sure if I really like this design. I kind of like the shift forks separate from the pins, but I guess we'll see kind of once we go to throw that together. And then we have the Kickstarter gear, and then finally the water pump assembly. So diving into the box, I've got the clutch cover pretty hammered, but all I need to do is clean that up with some Prime MX pads, and this is gonna be looking like brand new again. And then investigating the ignition cover, pretty beat up as well, but while inspecting it, I noticed that it had a crack right here in one of the spots where the bolts go, and obviously I can't put that back on the bike, so I went to Rocky Mountain, grabbed myself a brand new clutch cover. Probably could have found one on eBay, but it was like 55 bucks or something. Just went and bought a brand new cover, so that's gonna be junk, into the junk pile. And then the inner clutch cover itself, before I vapor blasted it, I noticed that there was some JB Weld where the oil drain bolt goes, the oil check bolt. And apparently this bolt was just torqued down to the specifications of the clutch cover bolt. And obviously this bolt you just want to tighten down and snug and not completely torque down, so just roach the threads in there. And then after I vapor blasted, I was checking it to make sure everything was good. And then I noticed here, which is the backside to the bolt for the water pump here on the front, the backside is just completely gone from that. So just another gem that I found, and I'm gonna need to replace this inner clutch cover. And I think I found like Partzilla or something has this thing going for like $155. On Rocky Mountain and other sites, it's like 175. So when I bought the bike, I didn't go through everything. I probably should have went through everything to make sure everything was good. So kind of shame on me for doing that. But if I were to go to buy another bike in a box, I would definitely make sure to check every single part if you can. To one, to make sure it's there, and two, to make sure it's not damaged like this. To continue on with this unboxing, looks like we have a bag with the stator and the piston. This piston is going in the junk pile. We got another bag here that seems to be the inner clutch hub, and then all of the transmission gears in there. Looks like another bag here. We got the clutch plates, and then the inner hub, and a bunch of random different bolts. Kind of got pieces of the shift drum in there, all kinds of crap. Fuel petcock. We have the transmission itself. Looks like it's still together, which is nice. That's the new ignition cover, spark plug and random the water pump, governor shaft in this bag, and then looks like parts to the shift shaft in here, and a cool Boyson water pump cover. So with my parts diagrams and these bag of parts, I'm literally gonna just dump everything out on this table and see what I got. All right, let's have some fun. All right, so I thought I'd dive into this clutch first, and I feel like we made out pretty good. Got all the pieces to the clutch kind of lined up, outlined, just like the parts diagram does. All right, let's get an update for you guys. So the pile of bolts that was right here, that would just look like a crapshoot. I didn't know what to do. It was hard to decipher from the parts diagrams of where these bolts went. So I started by pretty much grouping together the bolts that look the same. And I took out anything by process of elimination that kind of just goes together, like these cylinder head nuts and washers, and then the drain bolt there. It looks like we pretty much got everything. So I do have some questions on a few of the washers. So on the shift shaft here, there's that washer right there that you see. And I'm not sure that washer on the top there or the washer on the bottom there that goes behind the water pump impeller. So as far as the bolts go, I found every single one of the case bolts. And then there's just a bunch of different bolts here, like the clutch cover, the water pump cover, and then the inner clutch cover that I need to figure out and make sure I got everything going where it needs to go. I'm not really sure why, I have no explanation for it, but there also seems to be a few duplicate parts here. So I got the right side engine case here, and what I'm gonna do is put that inner clutch cover on it, kind of line that up. And then what I'm gonna do is take the clutch cover as well and throw that on there. So we've got all these bolts here, it's time to figure out where they go. So when they're in the right spot, there should be about a fingertip space in between the bolt and the case. So I'm gonna give you an example of that right now. So I'm gonna start with the inner clutch cover first that mounts to the right side case. I'm gonna test this one of the smaller bolts. And I don't know, this may work, but looking at it with my finger, there's not quite a fingertip space in between the bolt and the case. So I'm gonna go to the next size up bolt. So there you go. Now you see that there's a finger length space between the bolt head and the case. So you know that this bolt is where it's supposed to go. So I'm gonna go around the case and just fill in those bolts that I see fit. Just for the sake of the exercise as well, I've got a longer bolt, and then obviously that isn't gonna fit in there, that's super long. So I'm just gonna keep going around and filling in the bolts. Now with the clutch cover here, you can kind of see that there's a longer slot right here where I'm gonna need a longer bolt to go in. And you can see that bolt was actually too short, and there are longer bolts in there. So this is a super long one that I'm gonna try, and then boom, that fits that finger length mark right there. Oh, that's another short one, that does not work. So I'm gonna try the medium length ones. Looks good. So looking around the case, we've got all the bolts set up with the correct amount of length of bolt coming out of the crankcase and or the clutch cover. And then the only thing that we have left on this side is the water pump cover. So I'm gonna put the water pump cover on there and then test out some bolts here. And I know it requires 2 long bolts, so let's see if a long bolt fits there. That looks right. And let's see another one. Looking good there. And then we've got 2 small ones. Boom, and boom. So pumped that we were able to find all those bolts for this side of the engine. What I'm gonna do now is just take them out and label them to make sure I know where they go when I put the engine back together. And let's wrap this video up, guys, and surprisingly, we have everything ready to go to build this engine. It was quite a bit of work to try to get everything and figure everything out where it needed to go. So a couple remaining items. This washer here, I'm not really sure where it goes. I looked through every single parts diagram, but come to find out, it's the washer at the end of the kickstart assembly right here. And then there's this weird spacer and then this smaller bolt. And then I finally figured out that spacer actually goes right there on the power valve shaft, and that bolt holds the governor shaft to the power valve shaft. So happy to figure out where those two things went, but I want to give you guys an idea of why I needed to get new cases. So let me just grab this shift fork and come over here to where I got the cases on the other table. All right, so here we got the new case that we're looking at, and this shift fork is going to go on this side. So if you notice here, the shift fork slides into that slot perfectly, and I'll just check it both ways just for ha-has. There we go, no issues. Now let me flip it out with the older case. So when I go to try to put this shift fork in its slot, it doesn't go down at all. Either way, that pin won't go down into the slot. And taking a look into the slot where the pin goes, you can just see a random line or ridge there where that pin is getting stuck and not going down. So I'm pleased to know it was worth the money to buy new cases. I only bought the bike for 1,200 bucks, so I knew I was gonna have to invest at least $800 to $1,200 to get new cases. I knew that going into it, so I'm not that upset overall with that decision. Anybody want to volunteer to put this real life Lego puzzle together? So everything is pretty much ready to go, guys. I broke out the Prime MX pads, hit the clutch cover, I hit the Kickstarter, got all the casting lines out of that Kickstarter. It's gonna be looking so good. What I ended up doing is just making sure everything was clean and sprayed everything out with my air compressor gun. I wasn't planning on taking apart the transmission, but I just said F it just to make sure everything was super clean. There was no dirt or dust or any kind of grime stuck in there. Got the main shaft disassembled and then the counter shaft disassembled there. So now everything is complete and ready to go for this reassembly. But that's gonna be it for this video, guys. It was a crapshoot dumping out all those parts from the Yamaha. So my suggestions, if you guys buy a bike in a box like this, don't stress about it. Take your time, go online, go on Rocky Mountain, make sure you have the manual, make sure you have all the parts diagrams and go through them piece by piece and then check off each part that you have so you make sure you're not missing anything there. And then you saw me go through that technique with the bolts, making sure you have 1 fingertip length of the bolts sticking out of the cases or any bolts that you use in the motor. But if you guys are enjoying this bike build content, make sure you go ahead and punch that like button for me. Head over to the channel where I've got all the other bike builds going down for the Throwback 2-stroke garage build shootout. If you guys have any tips or tricks about buying bikes in boxes like this, definitely leave a comment below. It's gonna help me out in the future and anybody else who's on the fence about buying a bike in a box. As always, guys, ride hard, be safe, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.